Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the MusiBaby Bluetooth speaker. This little device has been making waves in the market for its exceptional sound quality and volume. Let's dive right in and explore what makes it stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about the features that set the MusiBaby Bluetooth speaker apart from the competition. With its compact size and lightweight design, this speaker is perfect for on-the-go use. Whether you're at home, in the office, or out and about, you can take your music with you wherever you go. But what really sets this speaker apart is its sound quality. Despite its small size, the MusiBaby Bluetooth speaker delivers powerful, crystal-clear audio that fills the room. The bass is deep and resonant, the mids are crisp and clear, and the highs are sharp and vibrant. It's like having a concert hall in the palm of your hand. In addition to its impressive sound quality, the MusiBaby Bluetooth speaker also offers seamless connectivity options. Using the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology, you can easily pair your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices with a speaker for wireless audio streaming. And with a range of up to 100 feet, you can control your music from a distance with ease. Now, you might be wondering about durability. Well, you'll be pleased to know that the MusiBaby Bluetooth speaker is built to last. With an IPX5 waterproof rating, it's resistant to splashes, rain, and even gentle sprays. So whether you're using it in the shower, by the pool, or out in the rain, you can trust that this speaker will keep the music playing. And let's not forget about battery life. The MusiBaby Bluetooth speaker boasts an impressive 1,500 minutes of playtime on a single charge. That's over 25 hours of continuous music playback. So whether you're hosting a party, going on a road trip, or just relaxing at home, you can enjoy uninterrupted music for hours on end. In conclusion, the MusiBaby Bluetooth speaker is truly the best Bluetooth speaker for sound quality and volume available in the market today. With its compact size, powerful audio performance, seamless connectivity, durability, and long-lasting battery life, it's the perfect companion for all your music needs. So why settle for anything less? Get your MusiBaby Bluetooth speaker today and experience the difference for yourself.